But it's not a flat battery. It's all good, bud.
All good?
So where are we? Can you tell me where we are?
58 Moss Street.
Watch your step.
Watch your step.
Watch your step. Oh, air conditioning.
Yeah, that's right.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
One K1600.
No, but it's been open. Look.
I had to take photos of it.
Now you want money back?
That's as far as
Yeah,
it's
we get
gone.
money back if it's faulty. Very nice. Okay. Oop. Open her up. So you always include that in the paperwork, don't you? Or in the books.
Yeah. Reason being, the actual birthday card of the bike and the production sheet is that there. That is the production sheet from Germany. So that tells you all the modification, all the accessories that come with the bike. So as you can see, DDC.
Yeah, I don't read freaky deaky German.
No, neither do I. I just know what's there. So, which is a good thing. But yeah, that is actually its birthday card. That's what they produce the bike for. Yeah. So that's the production sheet.
Not wrong.
So what tyres are they running on this?
Hey?
What tyres are they running? The Bridgestones?
Yeah. That'd be like a S30, which is a sports touring tyre.
Oh, okay, yep.
Usually we'll take it a goodie.
Oh, what's that? Is that just the screen, is it?
Screen and a few other little bits and pieces.
Oh, and that's the bikini screen too, isn't it? Well, the sports screen. It's the shorter screen of the
It should be the GT one.
yeah. Very impressive.
Production number. So that's the production number of the bike.
Yep.
So that gives you absolutely everything. That's its true birthday. At what time
Okay,
it
so
was made.
29/9/18.
Yeah.
So it's
that's
an
when-
18, it's not a 19.
Well, yeah. No, it's an 18 build, 19 more.
Oh. Surprisingly, we've also got the panniers on.
Yeah, they ship them with. They used to ship them without the lids on them, didn't they? Or is that the L's only?